counter-rotation all the rings to the left. Yes, like this one and this one to the end of the left. The second, also adjust this light to the best, like the video showed you. Yes, turn the right to the end. Second, adjust the Z-axis to move the laser gun nearly the height like my hand. Then find the focus is clearly. Like this, move it to a clearly. Now you can write it down to choose it. 上下，再上下。Now, when the screen is clearly, now you find the best focus position. Then choose this mark and make sure the laser is out. This focus can rise and down by the screen button. You can adjust this to move the focus. The first, you should find the laser focus, then move the course to the laser point. The fourth, if this laser point not weird or too big or too small, then you can adjust the rotation here. Can adjust the laser point size, bigger or small. Find the red point, right? Yes, move this point, red point to the booth where you want to welding. Then make sure the screen is clearly. Then set the position as the original point. Here, set the original point. Then edit. Then choose this. Use your macros. Use your mouse to this. When you fix your goods well, now set as origin point. Then choose the second. Then you should edit your welding program. Now everything is ready. You can edit the welding program. The first, use your mouse point here. Laser. Yes, it's laser. Then you will get a laser point in your goods like this. Now use your keyboard, space button. Set it as the first laser point. Then you can choose the A plus or A card to round the rotation. Now you can set the second welding point. That means the welding will move as a 2 points. align the first point to the second point, then keep moving. When you finish edit the welding program, press this button, home. Then choose this, download the welding program. Then we'll transfer to running service. Now you can choose this to running without laser. If the screen running well. 可以空手吧？可以。You can now running by this button. Yes, this button. Yes, it's moved in right way. Now you can remove this. Then your welding is pressed here. Laser will out.